Hello everyone and welcome again to our channel. In today's video, we will go and explore a new AI agent which is Runner H. You can see here this is Runner H and it is according to those like some sources it is an AI agent, and here they say the free AI agent can control browsers. So let's go and explore it by ourselves, then we can evaluate if it is valid or no. So what you need just to write runner HAI as usual, then you need to go and for normal signing up as the usual process. Here I will go try now. Now you need to do sign up, any kind of sign up you want, just go and do sign up. And if you have already like an account, you go for login, we'll go for sign up. After you sign up, you are in this page. So here we will see this is a run. So now we need just to do the task or ask him the prompt or ask him to do a task, then they will do it, the runner. Also here we'll go for discover. This is discover, so you can go for some here, for example, those LinkedIn and strategy for QA. We will just make it like very quickly. Here, for example, you go for example, marketing jobs. You need 10 Paris marketing jobs. So you are asking for a marketing jobs. And here, for example, you are asking for productivity tools in the sheet. So here, many features you just can explore. You can go for Slack. You can go for Notion and your email. You can go for track funded US startups this week. So the new funded things or information. So also you can just explore and go for discovery. Here the files, because we don't have any files, you just need to upload your files if you want. The most important thing to me is the connection here, the connection. When you need to connect, or you need the agent itself or automation to go for example, your Gmail, so you need to activate it, or to have a Google Sheet, you need to activate it, or Zapier, you need just to activate it. You go here and you click, then you just give it the authorization, then they can access your Gmail or Zapier or Google Docs, whatever. Also Notion, here you can go for Slack and interact with Slack workspace. Normally, so let's try one prompt or one task, and let me just think of something we can do it. So I will go for first I will make, for example, Google Sheet, because I need gives me when I ask him for a task or the prompt itself, I needed to put it in Excel sheet just to be organized. So I need just to go and active this Google Sheet. And here they will ask you to connect. You need just to click that you consent on the data, and you go for connect with Google itself. Now you can see now this is the green one. Now it's on. So now I can get the Google Sheet. So let me go back to run, and let me just think here before we think here. Here, if you need like human in the loop, how much like highly involved, moderately involved, or fully automated, I will keep it fully automated. Then what I just wondering here, it is pay coming soon, so there is no payment so far, but they are saying this 10 runs remaining. So I'm not sure that they said here 10 run remaining, so still free maybe with the 10 time attempt, but here they say the pay it's coming soon. So let me try it. Let's go and try it in the free package so far. So here, just to mention, if you go for Super H, it is like an AI agent from themselves, from Runner itself, and they are have like more maybe complicated or accurate agent, so they can access browser itself. And you can go for here, this is the Google Sheet, what we have already connected here. We said here connection, and we have this now, otherwise it will not come. So anything you want it to be in there, when you make alt, so you need just to activate those before. So if you need to access your email, you need to access this email first, otherwise it will not come. So when you just go for alt, So here you will have those things. So I will keep both because I need super etch this their agent to also try it. Also, I will go for my Excel because I need to be in the Google Sheet. Sorry. So I will go for fully automated. I don't want to put anything like from myself. I don't want to be involved. Before this, here it's almost the same what we have already mentioned already down. But here I will try to give him or ask him to give me, like, now we have or we can hear that some disagreement between Trump and Elon Musk. So I asked him like to give me some latest news, for example, for the last week on the agreement and the source of the. So I will just put a prompt, then we can see what's the prompt. So I asked him to give me the both online and offline if it is possible, and to give me the trending news about Donald Trump and Elon Musk. And I asked him something, for example, I need it to be from like news sources and reputable, whatever. So here include the local, if it is local, like in USA, it should be local, otherwise it should be international. Also, I ask him, for example, if the topics using sources like Google News, whatever. So I give him some tasks to do it, and I want it to be also. I ask him for the date of publication, the publisher, who's the publisher, and the news source. Also, I ask him to give me 2 to 3 sentences about the news. And instead of I go and search myself for all browsers or news, so I ask someone to give me, and this is the automation. So you don't need to do any program works, but you need just to give a nice prompt or the prompt that you want, and we will see that what is the thing. Make sure here it's automated, so I will have no involvement in this, and then I will go for go. I will be waiting. We'll be waiting. I'm not pretty sure how much it will take because we just explored now together, and here they said like please activate them or ask me to proceed. So I will just go for go or proceed, whatever. So we'll go just for go, and we'll see what's coming. It is in thinking stage, and I can see here they are some like pages or something like this, but I think now it's starting to do the work. And here they mentioned this is the trending and all here processing. So we will keep waiting until we get some their results, either good or bad, but we will see what is the results. So here he goes. It seems that he goes to some browsers. I'm not really sure, but he said here maybe three. Access browser. I'm unsure to be honest here, but still the processing. And let's go when it is done. As I said, I have no idea how much time it will take. Browsing, still browsing, and here I can see like BBC, Fox News, Washington Post, and Wikipedia. He went for some articles maybe, so that's also fine. And here, how was your experience? We are just trying it, so we will not evaluate you now. He goes and goes, still sometimes, but we'll see when we get the results. So maybe I will pause now, then I will come back when it is done because I'm unsure how much time again would take, and I'm not also interested. Maybe some people they are interested to go and check the from where browsers they got, but because I asked him in my prompt to give me in the Excel the source of the news itself. I can see it sometimes I have completed, then it goes again for searching. So also this is somehow maybe people they would value this, or some people they said no because he said here I have completed the search, then he still go for searching. So this is also maybe it's an issue, or maybe it's something value. Maybe he just organize or order them. Let's see what we'll get. Now he's done because now he said formatting. So browser session loading. This is serving. So browser. So here gives some live. So maybe those also from where he get things, but he said objective visit support Google document whatever. So trying the answer. So let me just wait. um, Maybe here where he goes or comes, or he needs to get just like Google Sheet to give me the information. So, but the good thing is still serving. So I feel we are in the safe. We are safe. Sorry. When I clicked here, those things they come, and I can see it is in the formatting stage for the Google Sheet. Now it is done, and I can see a PDF file. So this is the PDF file. Let me just go and try to get it. Let me see why this is. Yes. Now this is the PDF file, and this is the data collection he mentioned. Maybe the process. So let me just scan it very quickly. 13 trending news stories. So 5 stories about Donald and 5 about Elon Musk, and both 3. So he gave me just a brief, and he mentioned that this is the what I asked him to do, and in the Excel. So let me go. So where is the Excel? This is the Google document. So here the spreadsheet is accessible at this link. So we'll go for this link and we'll open it. Then we'll see what we have. Yes, this is, they said 13. Let me just check, because they say 13 trending news stories, so that's fine. And here we get it. Also, I get the headlines as we ask, the date of publication, that's fine. Also, the publisher, they mentioned the publisher, the news source. We said if it's international or national, but all of them they are international. But for the USA local ones, they should be national. And maybe the prompt or the task itself, it was not that fine. To the runner edge here, you can get the link. So just you go for the link here. You'll see. I mean, he gives you that what I ask him. He gives me here. He gives the summary for each one, for each news. So those are the summary, and the mentioned entities, if it is Trump or both or Musk. And here the key topics, if it is legal, I mean, whatever they are asking, space, technology. And here, because I asked him the importance level, he give me the high, medium, or there is no law, but I asked him if he give me, and the reason of importance. Also, he give me this engagement reach, nothing, no available, and the country of publication. So according to the publisher itself. So I feel it is somehow good. It can be used as an agent. It can be automation. So also you can try it for any other things. For example, here, you can try it for anything. For run, you go back, you do it, moderate it. If you want to be involved, highly involved, you can just click here. When you do the ad, this is very important. You need to just mention the connection, any connection that you want. For example, the Google Doc, you need to activate it. Calendar, you need to activate it. Gmail, whatever. So to here, I can see this is somehow good, promising AI and automation. And see you in the next video. Hope you enjoy, and bye-bye.